thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show, a show that comes every Saturday from 6:30 p.m. on Lolwe Tv with me, Sharon Ongao. Today, I'm at an apartment called Cloud9. Cloud9 is located along Agwings-Kodhek Road off Yaya Center in Nairobi. And this is a fully furnished apartment. And with me on set is a realtor and the owner of this furnished apartment by the name Linda. Linda, karibu sana to the set.
Thank you very much.
As we're starting, kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
My name is Linda Akot. I'm the director of Tembo Suites Apartments. As you've been told, it's in Cloud9 apartment along Agwings-Kodhek.
Thanks so much even for inviting us to this apartment. Indeed, it's so beautiful. And I'll take you even through the apartment on the second part of the show as we progress with this show. As we're starting, this is Cloud9 Apartments. Maybe you can tell us about this apartment.
Someone might ask me that how did I come along to start with this apartment?
Yes.
The thing is, I was employed, and when Corona came, I was rendered jobless. So the idea of starting an apartment actually just clicked my mind, and I had to share with my family members. And good enough, everyone was for it because they knew that I did hospitality. Yeah, that is how I came with the idea.
So you did an hospitality as a course, but again, when it comes to real estate, is it a passion or something?
I'll say somehow it's a passion, and it is not that much separated with the hospitality industry. If you've worked in a hotel, what you do in real estate actually is still the same thing. So there's not that big difference. So it's also a passion, and then I combined with my education in it.
So because at the end of the day, I know in real estate, it depends with even clients, because you meet a lot of clients. It's a matter of public relations, so to speak. So Linda, COVID-19 started in 2019, obviously, and when you lost your job, how did you come to have an apartment in Nairobi, like some of the searches that you did, and what made you choose Cloud9?
Actually, I was still working with Hilton. Okay, I was employed with the Hilton Hotel. That is, I've been doing hotel management. I worked with them for 9 years and a half. This year I was going to click my 10th year. Then when Corona came and interfered with everything, we were rendered jobless in last year, August 2020. So from August 2020, I sat down. I was now jobless, applying for anything that could come up. I'll still give thanks to Sylvia Arua. She's the owner of Emerald Suites.
Yeah.
She invited me in her apartment and told me, Linda, with your knowledge, I think we can work together. So from that is when we worked together, is also when I got the passion that I can also start mine. So all the thanks I actually give to Sylvia Arua for opening my mind and making me see that real estate is the real thing.
Like that was an eye-opener.
Yes.
And how do you get your clients?
Now, most of my clients, I get them through referrals. As I told you earlier, I worked in hospitality. Hilton deals with hotels. Hotels where we do also accommodation. So, being that it was closed for some time because of the Corona thing, my clients could easily reach me. By reaching me is when now I could accommodate them at Emerald Suites where I was. So the way you treat your clients the first time they come will also enable you to get more clients, or you don't get clients.
Yeah.
So the good hospitality that I had and the rapport that I had built with them actually made me now get referrals from them. One person, if it gets a negative attitude towards something, is going to chase away around 10 clients.
Yeah.
One person, the same time, if he gets a positive feedback from you, will bring around 5 clients. So that is what actually worked for me.
When I came here, the first thing that I saw, it's in Tiradiko in this house. I think you've placed, it's like a minimalist kind of thing, but I think you've placed everything, every detail into its place. I don't know who assisted you, or you also have eyes for when it comes to Tiradiko.
Interior decoration has also been my weakness.
Okay, and you don't say?
And I don't say.
Okay.
I always try to do what I think makes me happy, because I do believe if I like something, someone else will also like that.
Sure.
So my knowledge plus my friend's knowledge plus another friend's knowledge is what brought all this thing together. Even the color mixing was just an idea we shared. Then We just settle on one thing.
Indeed, even as you can see, even from the screen, it's popping. The blues, the grays, it's a match. Yeah, it is. So little as we progress, if somebody wants an apartment, I know we'll take them through the house, yes, but this is a 2-bedroom apartment. I think it's also good to tell them and let them know. So when somebody wants an apartment at this place, what are some of the procedures that they need to follow?
First, you need to know how many apartments. Okay, how many rooms do we have? We have a 1-bedroom apartment, we have a 2-bedroom apartment, and we also have a 3-bedroom apartment. So this thing also depends on the number. You know that 1-bedroom apartment cannot accommodate more than 2 people.
Sure.
2-bedroom apartment should not accommodate more than 4 people. And a 3-bedroom should not accommodate more than 6 people. So the number of the clients who want to use the facility will determine which kind of apartment they're supposed to have. Yes.
So here it's 1, 2, and 3. So when whoever wants an apartment here, you are free and they should call you and reach on you.
Yes. I always advertise my apartments in Facebook, Airbnb, and I've also with booking.com, but it is not working that well. So most of my clients will easily reach me through my WhatsApp status also, because majority, as I've told you, it's through referral.
Yeah.
So you just call me, you just tell me, Linda, we are this number, then I advise you on which apartment is suitable.
Yeah.
Then I guide you on the terms of payment. Yes.
And when it comes to payments, I know payments, when it comes to paying and payments is an elephant in the room. What's the pay for all these apartments? And if it depends also with an apartment, kindly let us know. Let's start from here, where we are at now.
We have a monthly rate and a daily rate.
Okay.
Monthly rate is slightly lower. It will sound like it is expensive, but if you split it into days, it's much cheaper than
the daily rates. Yeah.
Daily rate, you know, it's slightly higher because this is a client who will use the facility today. Tomorrow he or she is not there.
Yeah.
And then you are not sure whether tomorrow you're going to get a client. So definitely the price you're going to charge like today may partly cover for tomorrow.
You have to maximize.
Yes, because the electricity still remains the same. You still have to pay electricity end of the month. You still have to pay water. You still have the bills.
Yes.
So if it's someone who is staying longer, I would always advise he or she to take a monthly rate.
Monthly rate, it's cheaper.
But much cheaper. Yes. But still covers everything. There's nothing left out. Yeah.
And you don't want to disclose the amount.
We try to give an one.
Okay, so it's good when they reach out to you. Because where we are at, by the way, tell us about some of the amenities. Let's start with the amenities that comes within this building. Okay,
let me say, if I charge you, let us just come out with a figure. Let me say you're going to pay 100,000 per month.
Yeah.
You'll definitely want to know what is in this 100,000.
Yeah.
It has a daily cleaning from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is an off day where everybody needs a rest.
Yeah.
It has power, it has water, and it also has internet services. So you just pay me the 100,000, then you leave the rest for me. But I'll also guide you because we have rules and regulations of every particular place.
Yeah.
So with that one also you have to go through it first and see if it is suitable for you. We have some clients who can't cope with it.
Yeah.
But again, you have to give them the advantages
and disadvantages.
Disadvantage of everything.
Very
and
true.
Security is also a top notch. And that is the most important thing. Even on the money, your security really matters a lot. Yes.
How about the social amenities? Because here I realize we're just off Yaya Center, I guess shopping malls and so to speak.
As I said earlier, security is a top one. We just have a security office down here. So anything at any time that happens, someone is there. We have a hospital 100 meters just from here. Those are very important things.
Yeah.
If you fall sick at night, at least you can easily reach the hospital. We have a shopping mall just also around 150 meters away from here. So you can easily just walk. You don't need to get a cab or hire a taxi to go to
the shopping mall.
So it's just somewhere you walk, you come back. You swim, you come back.
So that's an added advantage, so to speak.
And restaurants are just here. Yes.
Okay, Linda. So I think on that note, we're taking a short break. Thereafter, when we come back, you'll be taking us through this beautiful apartment, right?
You're welcome.
To our LTN viewers, we're taking a short break. Don't go away. When we come back, we'll be taking you through this beautiful apartment so that you can get to see each and every place from the kitchens to my favorite place, the bedrooms, okay? Stay put. Don't go away. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the property show on Lolwe TV. If you're joining us, this is the Cloud9 Apartments, and with me is Linda, who owns this apartment. And Linda, thank you so much even for the second session.
Thank you very much.
So we promised them on the second session that we'll take them through this apartment. So kazi kwako.
Thank you very much and welcome back again. Now I'm going to talk more about my apartment.
Okay.
This apartment is on 16th floor, and you know, most of us are normally very crazy about the heights and all the view and everything. So in this apartment, being that it is on 16th floor, you'll notice that most of the buildings are actually below us.
Yeah.
And this is the beauty of the town. So if you come mostly at night, you'll see like the lights, you may think you're in Dubai, and yet you're just here in Nairobi, Kenya.
Because of the buildings and lightings and
everything
views.
is just superb.
And by there I can even see Upper Hill from this other end.
Yes, all these buildings, when you open the window at night, you might think you're in Dubai, in a certain street you're working at. Someone might ask me, why did they come up with that wall hanging? Just look at those buildings.
It's so beautiful.
If you look at my wall hanging, you might ask me how I came up with that decoration.
So beautiful.
The thing is, I was imagining I was in Dubai because I knew I was going to get an apartment in 16th floor. So those are the buildings that you can see below us here.
So if I may ask, when before you progress, meaning you love Dubai that much?
Yeah, and I believe one time I'm going to stay in Dubai.
Dreams are valid.
Amen. So again, when you look at my wall unit, you might ask me, why is it that I came with all these things and not a plain wall?
So come on, you're the one who designed this structure.
I discussed with the landlord who did it for me, and because I like the Swahili theme, that is why now I decided to have this. If you look at it well, you may think of the coastal, but
Yeah,
just
very true. And then plus the colors that comes with it, the blues and everything. Now I get your point.
sea and everything. Yeah? Then now these simple decorations just to spice it up. Yes.
Just to spice the room.
Yes.
What made you choose the tables? I can see the glass tables all over.
Yeah, when people ask me why I choose this, and like they can easily break.
Maybe
you
with
can
kids.
client. I like beautiful things generally. I just like beautiful things. That is why I settled on that.
So that's what prompted you.
Yes.
And how about the seat? They're not talking about the seat. It's like a 6-seater.
If you look it well, it's an L-shaped seat.
Yeah.
I know if one of your guests sits at this corner and the other one sits at that corner, you can easily, it will sound like you are together than every seat being separate.
Yeah.
So to me, my theme for this room is togetherness.
It's togetherness. Not to mention a TV.
Look at the inch first. We don't use small things. If you like beautiful things, you come up with beautiful and well seen, something that will pop out of the wall. that is why I came with this big TV.
Linda will be the end of me. Let's progress to the kitchen and the dining. I'm also seeing a very nice set on this other side.
Yes. Now here I was demonstrating my hotel skills. If you look at it well, first look at the theme, it's blue, this is my color.
Yeah.
If you look at the setup, this is what we used to do when I was still in hotelier.
Yeah.
So I just applied it here to bring that warmth, that family theme, that closeness. That is why now you can
You
see
brought
the
it
white
up.
and you can just see how clean and how pure it looks like.
Yeah, it's very nice, very nice. I think it's more of like a minimalist kind of thing, not crowded, you know, like very simple and cute. How about the chandeliers? They come with the house, or you're the one who designed them?
No, I'm the one who decided to have this chandelier.
Oh, really?
Yes, I realized it also brings that, it makes you feel, okay, you know, when people take your apartments, mostly they come for holidays. People want to have a quiet holiday, something that makes them feel home away from home. Yeah. So I just decided on this because when you sit down, you feel like there's something coming up from heaven, making you feel you are in something a different place.
You're in holiday, you are not away from your home.
Exactly.
And I like the way the kitchen is near the dining. Someone can easily be cooking here and you're making stories. So what comes with your kitchen now that it's an apartment?
First, you'll see the design is like an open air kitchen. And we came to realize nowadays we've reached that age whereby people want, as you cook, you also story around. So it's like open, you just talk as things also continue working. Now here, when you come in my kitchen, it comes with a fridge, as you can see.
Yeah. And this is a standard fridge.
Yes, yes. And look at the color.
White.
Yes.
That goes with your blues.
Clean. Then it comes also with the electrical kettle. This one is where we have assorted knives. Even the cooker, so that in case there's a stain, you can easily see. You can see the type of cooker.
So you chose white.
White. White shows you the cleanliness of someone. This is a wood for those who don't know. A wood helps you when you're cooking. It extracts fat. So even when you're making pili-pili, people don't get choked. It goes out. It is electrical wood.
And I think this is very important. Not only even pili-pili, even the likes of chapati or any aroma that's coming from the kitchen, so that when somebody opens the kitchen, they don't know like, oh, today Linda is cooking chapati in the house. I think this is also very important in the house.
Very important, and many people skip that.
Yeah.
Yes. Then it also comes with a blender. It comes with a microwave too. It also comes with a toaster.
Ah, essential.
Yes. So inside the cupboard is where now we have. First, I'll just open this one here.
Okay.
It comes with assorted glasses and cups. Then here, I've just removed most of the plates, but it comes with the bowls, plates. So because of the safety and maybe for those guests who have kids, the cylinder is hidden. The gas cylinder is hidden in a cupboard.
That's very important.
This is also for safety issues, which is very, very important. Then when you come this side, sorry, the cooking pots are here.
Oh.
Well arranged, and the pan also.
So meaning it comes with everything in the kitchen that somebody might need.
Yes. A grater, a wok, serving spoons. We have grater, we have sieves. You see those things that you as a lady in the kitchen, you will need them.
So it comes fully packed and everything. Because apart from food, you have to buy or make your own. So where are we headed to? And how about this place? This is another door? Or?
Yes.
Ah. This is like a wash area.
This is a lounge area, I say that. It has a washing machine. This is where we wash the clients. The clients you are hosting can wash their clothes from. And I still repeat with white. You look.
Very important.
White vessel, white bucket, cleanliness. Then the beddings are also white.
So meaning cleanliness. And maybe if we haven't proceeded, before we proceed to the next room, if I may ask, if I'm a client at this place, and because I'm in holiday, I don't wash my things, Will I need like extra services? Are there people available to help me out, or I can always talk to you?
Actually, with us, your package comes with the cleaner.
Oh.
The cleaner is the one who supervises your cleaning and leaves the pan in here.
Okay.
The only thing that maybe you can talk with the cleaner that is not in the package is the iron.
Okay.
Yes, but
Okay.
they provide the iron
Everything.
box, yes.
Okay.
But the cleaning, she will do it for you. Leave it hand here. Your job is just to pick, iron and put.
Nice. My bad. I didn't know about that. So where next? We proceed to the bedrooms.
Yes.
I told them the bedrooms is my favorite place in this house. Just a very sensitive area. Just because it's cozy. Come along and come join us and see the rooms. So you said it's a 2-bedroom apartment. So Linda, when I was coming in here, as always, I normally say that I love the kitchen. But in here, for now, I think I love the bedrooms. Kwanza, the master bedroom, it's so spacious. And the theme at it, when you told us about ocean and the coastal feeling, now this is it, guys. So you can take us through.
Yeah, as you can see, this is a 6x6 bed, which is the master bedroom, and blue is still in me because I told you this house is portrayed that custodian setup. That is why you saw the living room and everything. So here I decided to settle on blue in this room with the master bedroom. Those small 2 pillows are the throw pillows. Then the bed has 4 pillows. This is just a bed runner, and white, I still keep white. Because white, I can easily tear out a stain and soak it and make it clean. If you look at the other side also, the view still matters.
Magnificent.
Just look at the view. I'm going just to pull out these shears and
This
just
is
have
so
a look
beautiful. This is
Even
so
if you slept and
beautiful.
you are stressed and you just wake up in the morning, then you just pull the curtains, it really invites you. It makes you start your day in a very bright way. The master bedroom has a washroom with it.
It's all en suite.
It's all in suit. It has a washroom with a very spacious bathroom with it.
Okay.
So it also brings that, okay, you don't feel squeezed. You just shower, then you do what you can and finish before you join on the other side. It has a dressing mirror also.
And the wardrobes also where someone can hang their clothes.
It has a dressing mirror. You know, this is something very important for the ladies.
Very important.
Very, very
Once right now, I'm also even looking at myself if everything is in place.
Yes. It has a spacious wardrobe
Nice.
that can fit everything. This is where now you put maybe the beddings or the clothes. Then on this other side, you hang those clothes that need to be hung, and it comes with hangers.
Very
also.
important.
So that is also inclusive.
And I think the number one thing I love about this bedroom, apart from the bed, is the massive window. I hear it's called a French window that allows light. There's nothing as important as natural lighting in a house.
Yes, very, very important.
Very important. I'd want to see at night how this place looks. Maybe I'd book a room. That's very
You're
important.
welcome. Come and
One of these fun days, I'll try it out. Next, we're proceeding to the other bedroom, right?
Yes.
Kindly take us through. Now, Linda, this is a different setup. Apart from blues, what inspired you? This is so nice. The color is this a blush pink or which color is this?
Pink.
Baby pink.
I call it baby pink.
Okay.
This is because we said most of those people who use this apartment, 80% of them are family people.
Yeah.
So you'll find maybe the parents sleeping on the other side, and this color is more of it's for kids.
Like it's child friendly.
Yes, it's so child friendly.
Yeah.
And it also makes kids like brighter things.
Yeah, yeah.
Something like that.
Very true.
So that is how I came to settle on this. But it's also a big, sizable. It's a queen size bed, when the other was a king size bed. Yeah. It also has enough
Storage.
Yes,
Yeah, very true.
So your kids still also have enough space to store their
Belongings, yeah.
belongings. Even this other side, they also have a hanger. It also has hangers. So anybody using this room still gets the same treatment like the other one using the other room.
Because the space is still spacious.
Yes, it is.
Windows are still the same, so
The
functional.
view is still the same.
The views, you guys. Can you see Yaya Center from this place? I bet you can, yeah?
Yes,
If you know Yaya
this is
Center
very
and the
nice.
buildings, the views is so nice. The good thing is also comes with the thing you're mentioning about ironing.
Yes. We wash for you, we hang for you, but now when it comes to ironing part, you can either do it by yourself or you can request us. We still do it. It's still part of it. So you see your package still comes with the ironing board and the ironing box.
Nice.
So you have everything there.
Very nice. Because I know now the most common thing that is remaining is the washroom, which by the way we'll show them, right?
Yes, the common one.
The common room.
You the one for the master bedroom. I'll show you the common washroom.
Okay. Linda, maybe you show us the common washroom as we almost concluding the show.
Yes. As we saw the other side, the one for the master bedroom, there's nothing much different about it. But now this is now the common room, the common washroom for the class. It has a pedal dustbin. It has a mat. And this glass actually helps you when you're showering. The water doesn't split on this other side for someone else to slide. So this one is actually if you're having guests, if you're having people visiting you, they easily use that. Then they can wash their hand in this also common sink outside here.
And also with another mirror.
Another mirror. Comb your hair.
Okay, Linda, I've loved this apartment, and I hope to our LTN viewers, if you've been following us through, I hope they've loved it also. Maybe as we're concluding the show, Linda, maybe just come on, as we're concluding the show, how can somebody reach you, someone who wants this apartment or any other apartments the way you've said? Because these are two-bedroom apartments. You said you have 1, 2, and 3. How can they reach you?
For now, I'll give you my contacts. My it's 0700 71 9126. Meanwhile, I'm still working on my website. Once I'm through, I believe you're going to get me the website.
How about the social media sites?
If you have my number, you can easily track me because once you have my number, you can see my status.
Okay.
Yes, and my Facebook page, you will see Linda Oko. Just search for Linda Oko and you'll still find me there at Untitled Chapter.
Thank you so much, Linda. Indeed, the pleasure is all ours for taking us through this beautiful apartment.
Thank you very much and I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. And to our LTN viewers, I bet and believe that you enjoyed the show as much as I did. I really enjoyed taking you through these properties, and I believe you also enjoy us showcasing you these houses. Now, this is Latembo Suites, and this is the end of today's LTN property show. Until next week, same time, same place, do have yourselves a lovely evening. My name is Sharon Ongao. Bye-bye.